See if I can put it on like.
Listen, Charlie, you're teamed up to calm down. Listen, partner, I'm sure you can appreciate something. We got a business situation here. These independents get too big. That comes out of our end.
So funny on it.
Take care of business, Charlie. That's all we do.
Ew.
Take care of business.
He doesn't like the skin. It's like, do you like the skin of an orange?
You asked me to let you in.
Or a banana?
Ew. I don't care about your fucking money. Well, you do. Your life is gonna be fine. Just pour out your fucking
do that?
You understand what I'm saying to you? Do you? Okay.
Drop it in your bowl.
Seriously, I can respect that. Now.
He looks so giant.
Eat some of your... He's gonna eat all of them.
He doesn't want corn.
He needs his veggies, baby.
He's not gonna eat it.
Look at my baby.
Well, he's compared to a Coke can on here.
Oh my gosh. That's so funny.
We should get him and stand him up and see how tall he is to the cup.
He'll bite me.
I'll do it.